half of Ocean, and the other half is not here right now. So yeah, I love Nisha. Nisha teaches me how to sing and how to be a normal person. And I love Kate, and we wrote this song, New Shit. So yeah, bear with us.
Someone so selfish, taking advantage of my selflessness. I swear I would've moved if I could help it, but I'm so cemented to your presence. I'm kind of obsessed with the way you walk, the way you talk, your Facebook statuses. You melt my heart with every heart emoji, it's madness. You act like you don't know me. Why won't you hold me like you used to once upon a time? Maybe it was only just a dream, or at least that's what it seemed to me, just a dream. But it felt so real, it couldn't be no, just a dream, just a dream, just a heart of gold, a heart of stone. I can't be held accountable for what I think you ought to know. I swear you know my name, I swear we were a thing. I swear I didn't make it up, I swear that we were making love. I swear I gave you all my love, and once you thought you had enough dust, when you went and grabbed your stuff, left me just to prove you're tough. Well, maybe it was only, tell me, was it only, could have just been only, could have just been holy, just a dream, or at least that's what it seemed to me, just a dream. But it felt so real, it couldn't be, no, just, I hate you for what you did to me. Don't play with my feelings, remember the feelings you had for me. You should love me for what I did for us. Maybe I should just give up, 'cause it was only just a dream, just a dream, just a dream, just a dream, a dream. Hard to go, just a dream, just a dream, just a dream. A heart of gold, a heart of stone. I can't be held accountable for what I think you ought to know. A heart of gold, a heart of stone. I can't be held accountable for what I think you ought to know. A heart of gold, a heart of stone. I can't be held accountable for what I think you ought to know. A heart of gold, a heart of stone. I can't be held accountable for what I think you ought to know. It's just a dream, just a dream.